How to use Airbnb's merchandising tools to make discounts visible, credible, and conversion friendly. Discounting is one of the most powerful levers a host can pull to drive bookings, but only if it's done strategically. Silent price drops, just lowering your nightly rate, often fail to capture attention. Airbnb gives you built-in merchandising tools that turn discounts into visible, credible signals that drive conversions. Let's break down how to use them effectively. 1. Why visible discounts outperform silent price drops. Dropping your price without labeling it as a discount often goes unnoticed. Travelers compare multiple listings at once, and Airbnb's algorithm highlights properties with clear savings, slashed prices, X% off badges. A visible discount not only catches the guest's eye, but also communicates urgency and value, two psychological drivers that boost conversions. Key takeaway: never just lower your price. Use Airbnb's tools so your discount shows up as a promotion, not just a cheaper rate. 2. How custom promotions boost conversion. Without lowering your real rate, custom promotions let you appear competitive without eroding your true nightly rate. For example, keep your base rate steady so you don't devalue your property long term. Apply a 10 to 20% promotion for a specific period, like low season weeks. Guests see the discounted price against your higher base rate, which makes the deal feel more attractive. This keeps your average revenue strong while tapping into price-sensitive demand. Pro tip: use promotions to fill gaps, not your entire calendar. This preserves rate integrity. 3. When to use early bird, last minute, and length of stay offers early bird discounts, 30+ days out. Great for families and planners. They secure your calendar early, giving you cash flow and reducing stress about unsold nights. Last-minute discounts within 7 days. Perfect for spontaneous travelers and business trips. Instead of dropping your price silently, Airbnb highlights the urgency. Length of stay discounts, weekly or monthly. Attract remote workers and long-term stays. These fill big calendar blocks and reduce turnover costs. Balance is key. Don't stack all three at once. Match the discount type to the demand pattern of your market. 4. The exact strategies to use across portfolios to win more bookings. If you manage multiple listings, consistency matters. Here's a simple playbook. Audit your base rates. Set them slightly above your ideal average nightly income. This gives you room for promotions. Layer invisible discounts strategically. Early bird offers on high-demand seasons. Last-minute offers on slow midweeks or gaps between longer stays. Length of stay discounts for off-season or shoulder periods. Rotate promotions. Don't leave them on forever. Scarcity sells. Track performance per listing. Which promotions drive occupancy versus which just cut into revenue. Double down on winners. Portfolio advantage. When you use consistent merchandising across all listings, your brand looks professional, credible, and guest-friendly. Travelers are more likely to book with you again. Bottom line, Airbnb's merchandising tools turn discounts into marketing assets. Visible discounts outperform silent cuts, custom promotions let you stay profitable, and timed offers help fill your calendar smartly. Use these strategies across your portfolio, and you'll drive more bookings without racing to the bottom on price.